कहना फिर इजाज़त से क्या पूछना है?
कुछ स्टूडेंट्स के सवाल है, कुछ नौबायात के, तो
पूछो फिर जो आप पूछना है, किसने पूछना है, किस तरह पूछना है। आपने यहाँ को हाथ खड़ा करता है, पीछे देख लिया करें, उसको दे दिया करें फ़ोन, मुझे तो यहाँ से नहीं पता लगता किसको कहना है। हाँ चलो पूछो।
Assalamu alaikum, Huzoor.
वालेकुम सलाम।
My name is Hivi. I am Kurdish. I am from Majlis Almira. Since July 2019, I have done my bayat. Till today, my father is unaware of that. He is a very good father, and I have a very special bond.
अच्छा, you are Kurdish and your father doesn't know of it. And if he is seeing this program, he would come to know about your accepting Ahmadiyyat.
He is not aware of that. He doesn't know. He doesn't know I am Ahmadi. He is a very good father.
No, if this program is aired, if it is shown on MTA, then your father will know that you are an Ahmadi. Somebody will tell him. Then how can you face can you face his anger?
Oh yes, with the help of Allah.
Acha. Acha.
Yes.
So we should not show this program on MTA.
Thank you. Don't worry about it. It's okay.
Okay. Now, what is your question?
Yes, my question is, I have a really good bond with my father, and unfortunately he doesn't know I am Ahmadi, and I really want to tell him, but he is, I don't know how to tell him because he's not really practicing Islam, and he is, yes, he just doesn't want me to practice Islam, and I don't know.
Is he a Muslim?
Yeah, he is. He is born as a Muslim, but he doesn't practice.
So you accept, those sitting beside you, they are your sisters?
Yes, this is my grandma, and this is my mother. They're also Ahmadiyya, alhamdulillah.
Your mother and your grandmother?
Yes.
Huh? And even your father doesn't know of you, about your mother's accepting Ahmadiyyat?
Yes, he does about my mother, but he doesn't know about me.
Acha. And he knows that your grandmother is an Ahmadi?
Yes, alhamdulillah, yeah.
So then what do you want from me?
I just want your advice, like when is the right time to
You see, if you are a practicing Muslim, you are offering daily prayers 5 times, you are doing reading Quran Kareem, you are doing Tilawat Quran Kareem daily, and there is some significant change in your behavior towards religious practices, then he would know that there is some change in you. He will ask you that what is the change. Then you can tell him that there are so many of my friends are Ahmadis and I am very much impressed by the teaching of Ahmadiyyat, and this is because of that I am trying to change myself. And in this way, with the passage of time, you can one day, if you feel that now it is an appropriate time to tell him, then you can tell him that you have accepted Ahmadiyyat. And if you still fear, then wait for some time.
Okay, Jazakallah for your advice.